All right, so inverse properties of the common log. So the following properties hold for common logs. Log base 10 of x is equal to x, and 10 to the log of x is equal to x. So these are just, a couple things to memorize. This one especially is one to memorize. This one, we can derive that one because remember, we bring that x down here. Log of 10 base 10 is 1, so it's just x. So that one, we understand that one. But this one is not so intuitive. But when you have, a log and you're doing 10 to that power. So what happens is this 10 is canceling out that log, and so then all that's left is the x. And so that's kind of what's happening. So, if we'll get to the natural log here soon. So e to the ln of x is again going to be just x. So all depends on what we're doing. And ln is the same thing as log base e. Okay, so that's why that works. All right. Use the inverse properties to simplify each expression. Well, this one we know pretty easy. It's log base 10, so we know that this piece is going to go down in front, and that's going to be their answer. Okay, so that's what we get. Now this one, we remember that's that second rule, so 10 to the log is going to be that cancellation, and all it's going to be left is our 8, and so our answer is 8. And again, it's all based on those two rules right here. All right. Here we have sound levels in decibels can be computed by f of x equals 160 plus 10 log x, where x is the intensity of the sound in watts per square centimeter. Ordinary conversation has an intensity of 10 to the minus 10 watts per square centimeter. What decibel level is this? All right, so what we need to do is we need to plug in values basically. All right, so we're going to plug in 10 to the negative 10 for our x because that's what they told us it was. Now we can say, okay, well, we can bring that negative 10 down here. So it's going to be 10 times the negative 10. So it's going to be a negative 100 plus 60. So 160 minus 100 is going to be just 60. That's going to be the decibels. Okay, so normal conversation, roughly 60 decibels. All right, so let's stop there and we'll come back for some more.